Around the world, someone loses their life because of high blood pressure every 4 seconds. And most of them didn't even know they had it. You might be feeling perfectly fine right now, but silent damage could already be happening inside your body. Today, I'm going to show you what hypertension really is, why it matters more than you think, and the simple steps you can take to protect yourself. Starting today. Let's get into it. First, what is hypertension? It's when the force of your blood against your arteries is too strong. Imagine water rushing through a garden hose. If the pressure is too high, the hose can burst. The same thing happens inside your body. High blood pressure slowly damages your heart, your brain, your kidneys, and more. And the scary part? It usually has no symptoms. That's why they call it the silent killer. So, what causes it? Some causes are out of your control, like getting older or having a family history. But a lot of causes are in your hands. Eating too much salty food, being overweight, not moving your body enough, feeling stressed all the time, smoking, drinking too much alcohol. The choices you make every day add up. Now, how do you know if you have it? Doctors check it with a simple cuff around your arm. You might have seen it in the clinic, the one that squeezes your arm for a few seconds. A normal blood pressure reading is below 120/80. If it's 140/90 or higher, that's called hypertension. The good news is, you can check it at home too. Home blood pressure monitors are affordable and easy to use. Okay, now for the big one. How can you lower your blood pressure? Here's the good news. Small daily changes can protect your heart and save your life. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Cut back on salt, especially in processed foods. Move your body for at least 30 minutes a day. Even a simple walk helps. Manage your stress with deep breathing, meditation, or just taking time for yourself. Quit smoking if you can. And cut down on alcohol. Sometimes, lifestyle changes aren't enough. If your blood pressure stays high, your doctor may prescribe medication. And that's okay. Taking medication properly can prevent heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure. Before we wrap up, let's bust a few big myths. Myth number 1. If I feel fine, my blood pressure must be fine. Wrong. Hypertension often has no symptoms. Myth number 2. Only older people get high blood pressure. Wrong. Even teenagers and young adults can have it. Myth number 3. I can stop my medicine once I feel better. Wrong. Always follow your doctor's advice before changing or stopping any medication. To sum it all up, high blood pressure is common. It's serious, but it's also manageable. With a few simple steps, you can protect your heart, your brain, and your life. Click on this video to learn more on how to lower your blood pressure without medication.